Hi students, welcome to Edurific. From this session, we are going to introduce a module on App Lab. Basically, this session will brief you about what the module on App Lab deals with. We shall be exploring and learning about the App Lab in various ways possible in the upcoming sessions. This session will give you an idea of what the App Lab module will impart knowledge of. It will tell you what the App Lab is all about. It will give you the features of App Lab based on both code and design aspects. Also, we shall be creating projects to grasp and thoroughly understand our knowledge of the App Lab. Our projects include color input project, text input and response output project, the treasure box project, the BMI Body Mass Index Calculator project, the shopping cart app project, the arithmetic operator project. Through this module, which will be taking you through a tour of understanding the App Lab, its features and various projects, I hope you enjoy creating projects and understanding what all the App Lab is about and venture more into creating projects on various kinds of topics. I hope you familiarize yourself with the App Lab and enjoy the learning process. In this session, we shall primarily understand what App Lab deals with exactly. So as you can see, we'll again go to the App Lab by clicking the Create button, going to the App Lab. As you can see, we are on the App Lab page of the code.org platform. The layout is similar to other tabs like the Sprite Lab and the Artist Lab, whereas you can see a workspace, some blocks and some visualizing section with the same run command. But there are quite a few differences, that is, it has a toolbox instead of the block section, and the blocks are very different from the blocks we have found in the Sprite Lab and the Artist Lab. With functions included in between brackets as this, like ID, type and text and callback. Before we discuss about the various functions provided by the App Lab, we shall first try to understand what App Lab is all about. Can you tell what an app is? Yes, app is basically a shortened version of an application. And now can you tell what an application is? Yes, an application is a computer program or a software program designed for a purpose, downloaded by an user like you, me and everybody else to devices such as the mobile phone, tablet or any other electronic device where the app can be featured. So I have here you have familiarized yourself with what an application is and have understood by now that the App Lab deals with initiating and creating apps which are of daily use and helps us understand the various ways in which apps can be coded on the code.org platform. You enjoy learning creating apps using the App Lab through our module on App Lab. Thank you so much. Please do like, share and subscribe.